should make me a meme. That would be hilarious.
That's the only picture I need is you right there. I don't even need a picture.
Hey y'all, this is my first vlog. I'm doing a maintenance vlog. I'm headed to get a facial right now at Heyday on the Upper West Side. It's about 12:30. It's a beautiful day in New York. Rocking my pretty thug as always. And I'm gonna take y'all inside. I definitely want to use like this is fine, but if I use vitamin C every day, like I was using a vitamin C serum, it was bad.
Interesting.
Yeah, it was bad. After like a week, I was like, why am I breaking out like that? And as soon as I stopped using it, I was perfectly okay.
Interesting. And it was a breakout, not like an irritation or like a
no,
rash
it was
or
a
anything?
breakout, like pimples. And
Was
I don't even get pimples.
Right. Was it just a serum or was it like in something?
It was just a vitamin C serum.
Interesting. I wonder like what the makeup of it was. Maybe it was too heavy for the skin, or there was some type of mixture in there that you had like a reaction to, obviously.
Yeah. I'm not sure, but I've tried a few different ones and they all do the same thing.
Interesting.
But I'm like, it's supposed to be so good for you, like, like brightening and stuff like that.
Brightening is really protective of the sun as well. So I wonder if incorporating something like this, like a wash that has it, that you can kind of put on and take off, maybe it won't leave such a reaction, because you don't feel any kind of like tingling or any happening on the skin.
No, I feel like a little bit of something here, like kind of in my T-zone.
Okay.
But it's not
anything crazy.
No.
Alright.
I was like ripping my skin to shreds. Especially, it wasn't really my face, it was my nose. I think because they were so stubborn. I was like, I was going crazy.
Well, also because we were trying to do extractions on the nose, it will tend to get like red at least. But you don't want it to feel like sore or anything like that ever.
Yeah, it was definitely sore for like 2 days, and then it kind of scarred a little bit, and then it like popped up like a nose.
It's one of my favorite things, especially as a finisher. Like I said, it helps with antibacterial properties. So if you have acne, it's really great at that. Any inflammation and irritation, it helps bring down that redness. Helps with fine lines and wrinkles, because again, that like plumpness of the oxygen being back into the face, as well as circulation.
So I just left Heyday. I have a little stuff on my face from the mask, but I just took it off to show how my skin is looking. It's looking so good. The lady was really like comprehensive in telling me what I needed and stuff like that. And they have a monthly membership for $105, which I signed up for, which is a pretty good deal. And you can like bring a friend and all that stuff. I'll like pop up something on the screen showing you the parameters of the membership. But yeah, now I'm headed to get my nails and toes done. talking about the shirt.
Yeah. One time they used to run. I forgot. Oh yeah, we ate mad rice during birthday.
You should make me a meme. That would be hilarious.
That's the only picture I need is you right there. I don't even need a picture. So that's the. Like, I'm gonna be mad at you for being you. That's like, yo, you mad for half a head?